I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. I wanted to share a quick conversation I had with somebody who came to me and said, hey, rates are just too high to purchase right now. I let her know that the newest data actually shows they're not high. They are the norm. I want you to take a look with me at the 30-year fixed rate mortgage from 1971 to 2025. That's a 50-year span, okay? In the 70s, we can see that it's 7 to 11%. In the 80s, 16%. In the 90s, 7 to 10%. In the 2000s, 5 to 8%. 2010s, 4%. And then we got 2020. This is the nation's lowest at 2.9%. Okay, if you are waiting for that again, you could be waiting a very long time. Now, I'm not saying go buy a house right now. For some, the rates are just too high to get into the house. I get it. But if you're in a position to buy, let's have that conversation. I truly want my clients to live in their home and not for their home. But it starts with a conversation first.